So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it. No. Fuck! Fuck!
800 Bravo, shots fired.
Set 80, I'm hit.
Jesus Christ.
X-ray 800 on a traffic stop area 810 12914 Fairfax Parkway 4236.
That was a heck of a stop, sir.
I have a gun and I'm armed, I'll let you know. So why did you pull me over?
Your inspection sticker expired
they
last.
know. Call Joe Biden or call George Bush.
What's your driver's
No,
license?
there's no. I don't have a driving license.
Why not?
Go back, sit in the fucking car, and leave.
No, sir.
No?
It doesn't work that way.
Okay, so go ahead, do whatever you want to do.
Can I get your name?
No,
No?
no. You're fucking killing me. You fucking people don't get a disability. Fucking. I have kids and I have a lot of fucking bullshit things. So why you fucking treat me this way?
Set 80.
Set 80.
Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
You fucking dumbass
The,
fucking people. You fucking asshole.
Majestic.
I can't even go
Northbound
back to my
at
fucking country because of you fucking
Greenbriar
people.
Town
I
Center.
started in fucking army. Every time
Car
you fucking
80
you
or
come
car
and
81
fucking
Bravo.
pull me over every time.
Do you have the registration to the vehicle?
Nothing.
You got nothing?
Nothing.
All right.
Yeah.
And you don't want to give me your name?
Sir, why? Look. Hey, I died when I was serving you with you liars, with you people, with American
I served as well, sir.
Yeah. So you brought me to you fucking people brought me to this goddamn country, and I'm dying every fucking single day, and I have 4 children, and we wholly survive because you're a fucking racist people.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can't get a job, I can't get a disability, and they took my fucking license because I'm not able to pay the insurance. So why are you fucking trying to kill me?
I'm not trying to
No,
kill you,
you
sir.
are. I'm already died. I don't give a
Set
damn
80.
fuck.
Subject's armed, refusing to give ID. Don't reach for anything,
No,
dude. Don't unbuckle that.
I'm telling you, don't reach. I'm telling you, don't reach. I don't
Subject
give a
keeps
damn
reaching.
fuck. I don't give a damn fuck. If you fucking do anything, don't do anything.
Subject keeps reaching for his weapon.
No, I'm not reaching.
Sure. That's all you have to be up. Tell us your restricted 1439.
Sir, I stopped you for a lawful traffic stop.
I don't give a damn fuck.
Okay.
You liars.
I'm not lying.
No, you're
It's
lying.
obviously right there.
You are no. Today's
So
the
what
day,
I'm-
buddy.
what I'm
Today's
asking
the day,
for
fucking
is you to
dumbass
identify
liars,
yourself.
White people, you lied for 25 years.
Car 80 Bravo, you direct from that.
You brought me to this country. I served with special forces. I lost my own fucking brother. I lost my everything.
I'm sorry.
I have nothing.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, you're sorry to hear that. No, don't play that bullshit.
So you don't have a registration to the vehicle?
You know what? Listen, here. You're American, okay?
Yes.
Yes, you are American. I give you my fucking what do you call that shit? Take it. They took my driving license.
So
Okay.
they took it away?
Yeah, for no fucking reason. I have a hard time with court. I'll show you the paperwork. You won't
Okay.
believe what they say. They don't. When I call them bullshit. The system is fucking broke.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, it sounds like you're going through a really rough time.
man. I should have served with fucking Taliban better than you. I was concerned and a fucking dumbass fuck when I was concerned about Taliban, but in America, since 2014, I'm concerned about more about you people. Because
Okay.
you lie, because you play games, that's how I'm going deeper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are my partners here. They're coming up. I don't want you to get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reading, sir. Hey,
I
sir,
watched you do it.
I don't give a damn fuck. Brings as many people as you can.
Okay.
Go ahead. You're not listening. What I'm telling you.
I am listening to you.
I have 4 children. Do not reach your gun.
Bravo, everybody slow down. Units have to 1080, slow it down, 1441.
Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to
No,
give
no,
me
no.
that?
Hey, don't you reach it? No. Fuck!
800 Bravo, shots fired.
Set 80, I'm hit.
Bravo, shots fired. 800 Bravo, shots fired.
Listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? No. Hey, no, you reach it. No.
21.
Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it? No. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to
No.
give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it? No.
Bravo, everybody slow down. Units have to 1080, slow it down, 1441.
Hey, listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? No. Hey, no. You reach it? No.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, signal 1.